In this video we will learn some more tags like B, high, U, center, and heading level, heading tags. Let's start. As we always start with HTML tag, HTML, then head. So we have used B tag, I tag, U, center, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and this is the complete web page. And let's understand how these tags work. B tag stands for bold. So whatever text is inside the opening B tag and closing B tag will be displayed in bold. I stands for italics and U stands for underline. Center tag makes the content in the center of the web page. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, there are 6 heading level tags in HTML, and these are H1 is the highest size heading and H6 is the least size heading. Then body and HTML close. Let's save our file. More tags dot htm or html, whatever. Let's save our file and just see the output. Let's click on more tags and we can see this web page contains the usage of B, I, U, center, H1, H2, H6 tags. This text is in bold, this text is in italics, this text is underlined, this text is in the center of the page. All the tags are giving their effects. This is the heading level 1, heading level, at least it is one displayed in each text actually, but the effects are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's correct it. I have corrected it. Now now it is okay. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. So if we see the coding and the output, B is giving the bold effect, I is giving the italics effect, and U is giving the underline effect. Center tag is giving the center effect, and these heading tags are giving the heading effects. Okay, in our next video we will learn more tags. Thank you.